In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WooCommerce to an existing WordPress site tutorial. We'll walk through finding the WooCommerce plugin on WordPress.com, reviewing its details, and starting the setup flow so you can connect it to your existing site with confidence. First, head to the WordPress.com site's dashboard. This is where you can see your existing websites. Make sure you're signed in and select the site where you want to add an online store. Next, open the Plugins area at WordPress.com. Use the search bar and type WooCommerce. This filters the plugin library so you can quickly find the official WooCommerce plugin. When you see it in the results, click on the WooCommerce card to open its dedicated page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the overview. It explains what WooCommerce brings to your site, from product management to checkout and payments. Then, click into the Description tab to read what's included and how it works. Switch over to the Installation tab to understand the setup expectations on WordPress.com. The Changelog tab shows recent updates so you can confirm it's actively maintained. And the FAQs tab answers common questions about usage and compatibility. Spending a minute here helps you avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click Get Started. This launches the guided flow for using WooCommerce with your site. Follow the on-screen prompt to move forward. If at any point you want to double-check details, you can click Back to Plugins to return to the plugin list without losing your place. Continuing in the flow, you'll reach the domain step. If you want to register a new address for your store, choose Search Domains and explore available options. If you already own a domain and want to use it with this site, choose Already Have a Domain. This opens the Use Your Domain page, where you'll enter your current domain so it can be connected. After filling in your choice, click Continue to proceed. That's it for getting WooCommerce queued up on your existing WordPress site from the WordPress.com interface. A few tips before you move on. Keep your store name, business location, and basic product details handy, since the setup wizard will ask for them. And review the Installation and FAQs tabs anytime you need clarification during setup.